Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I saw this nail hack on TikTok and I wanted to try it out, so I'm just going to be doing a cute little pink Valentine's Day nail set and trying this nail hack out where you can do your nails on your nails but then take them off right away just using Scotch tape. So I'm going to try it out and see if it actually works, and let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so there's no need for nail prep on my natural nails since this is a temporary nail set, but I do need to do a little bit of nail prep for the fake nails just to make sure they fit my nail properly. So I just picked out the ones that fit me the best, and then I'm just going to take my hand file and file down the sides just to make it so it fits my natural nail better. But of course it doesn't have to be that perfect since I am going to be taking them off. And also these are the longest nails that I have ever done. So that's probably good that I'll be able to take them off after, because I don't know if I would be able to function in this length of nail. I know for some people these are like considered short, but for me these are like super long. So I'm going to start out by putting Scotch tape on my nails, and you just need enough so that it wraps around your finger just to make sure that it sticks well and just stays on. I did do my thumbnail, but that was for Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that, so I didn't actually film it for this video, but you will see later that I did do my thumbnail, but you just won't see the process of it in this video. But it basically was the same thing as all of the other nails. Now that the tape is applied to all of my nails, I'm going to apply the full cover nail tips to my nails now. So I'm just using nail glue and just applying them like I would any other time. So I'm just applying the nail glue to the tape that is on my nails and then applying the full cover nail tip on it. So for the base color, I'm going to be using this jelly gel polish from Born Pretty, and I didn't want to do a super complicated nail set just because I am going to be taking them off. I didn't want to like spend a bunch of time on my nails and then have to take them off right away. So I'm doing a pretty simple nail set. So I am starting with that base color, and then I am going to be taking my Beetles pink gel liner and doing some French tips on all of the nails. I'm now getting started with those French tips. So whenever I do a French tip, I just like to do a line in the middle and then connect that line with two curved lines on the side, making a French tip, and then I just fill that in. I also usually don't make it completely perfect, so I do usually have to take one of these micro applicator brushes and some acetone and just kind of clean up the smile line and make it look more even. I am going to be doing those steps on all the rest of my nails, and then I'm going to be applying some rhinestones and nail charms. Before applying the rhinestones and nail charms, I am going to apply my top coat just because I don't want to have to go around with the top coat around the nail charms and rhinestones, so it's just easier to do it before, and I am using this Millie top coat. I'm going to start out by applying some rhinestones right underneath the French tip, and I am using this Betty Cora nail rhinestone glue, and this stuff works really well. Definitely better than like using top coat as a glue. I definitely recommend this product. I used them for one of my last nail sets, and the rhinestones stayed on the whole entire time, and I think I had those nails on for like at least 2 weeks, and usually I lose like 1 or 2 rhinestones at least when I do use rhinestones and nail charms, but I didn't lose any, and yeah, it works super well. Then for the other nail, I got these heart nail charms. They are super cute, just sheer with various different colors, and I chose a pink one. So I'm just going to stick that onto my other nail, and then basically the nail set is done. So I'm just going to easily take them off now, and I was also thinking if you do this method, you could also keep them and use them as press-on nails later on. And of course, another good thing about this nail hack is you don't need peel-off base coat or sticky tabs or double-sided tape or anything like that. You can just use regular Scotch tape, and I feel like it's great because I feel like people are more likely to have Scotch tape on hand than like a peel-off base coat or something like that. So it's just really an accessible hack that a lot of people can do and don't need to bother buying a peel-off base coat or like double-sided tape or anything like that. So you can just easily do your nails or do someone else's nails and then remove them right away. And I also saw a comment on the TikTok that I got this idea from, and they were saying they were allergic to gel, but now they can use gel when doing this hack because the tape is like covering their skin and everything. Of course, you can't really like wear these around, like they're gonna come off really easily. Plus, you can see the tape, so it doesn't really look that good. And also, as like a nail content creator, I wouldn't really be able to do pictures and like post them on Instagram of my nail set and everything like that. So that's another con, but overall I think this hack is really cool and I am glad that I tried it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys would try this nail hack out and what you thought of it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!